People want a quick fix. They see ads promising flush toxins, lose 10 pounds in 7 days, feel brand new. But inside there's doubt. If my body is full of toxins, am I failing somehow? Therefore the detox industry thrives, feeding on fear and the hope of transformation. Backstory wound: we live in a world where food, stress and exhaustion feel out of control. False belief: I'm dirty on the inside, so I need a cleanse to be pure again. But the truth is, the body already has a built-in detox system. Liver, kidneys, lungs, skin. Therefore the story begins. We must confront what's real and what's marketing. Detox diets promise miracles. Juice cleanses sound natural. Teas claim to burn fat. Colon cleanses boast of resetting your gut. But when you try them, you lose water weight, not toxins. Therefore, you feel lighter, yet weaker, hungrier, dizzy. But the industry calls that proof it's working. Therefore, people stay trapped in a cycle, believing the discomfort is healing, not harm. Some detox products even hide laxatives or diuretics, but that causes dehydration, not cleansing. Therefore, the body is stressed, not healed. Diet hype joins in. Keto promises fat burning. Intermittent fasting promises longevity. Carnivore, vegan, paleo each say they're the one way. But every extreme path leaves someone deficient, tired, or rebounding. Therefore, the cycle escalates. Try, fail, blame yourself, try harder. Here's the turning point. If detox and fad diets don't work long-term, then what actually does? The crisis of belief arrives. Maybe nothing will ever work for me. But science shows consistent truth. Health isn't built in 7 days, it's built in habits. Therefore, the solution isn't dramatic, it's small, steady, human. The real transformation begins: whole foods, not miracle teas, water, not sugar drinks, sleep, not starvation, movement, not magic pills. Each habit quietly replaces the old misbelief. The body doesn't need a cleanse, it needs consistency. The old false belief, I'm dirty inside and need detoxing, has collapsed. The new truth, my body is already cleansing me. My job is to support it, not punish it. The value shift. From shame, empowerment. The closing beat. Skip the gimmicks. Trust your body. Build habits. That's the real detox. And if this changed how you see health, subscribe for more truths the industry won't tell you.